In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to see different types of boards in Monday.com, and don't worry, it will take just about 5 minutes to get the hang of it. Let's get started by heading over to Monday.com. Once you're there, you'll need to log in. You can easily do this by finding and clicking on the Login button. After clicking Login, you'll have a few choices for signing in. One of the most straightforward ways is to use your Google account. So go ahead and click on Google and choose your desired Google account from the list. This will swiftly sign you in to your Monday.com account. Now that you're signed in, it's time to navigate to your workspace. You can find it in the left panel of the screen. Clicking on this area will give you access to various boards and workspaces that are a part of your team collaboration setup. Once you're in your workspace, you're going to want to create a new board. This is simple to do. Just look for the plus icon in the left panel. This is where you'll have the option to start something new. Click on that to begin the creation process of your new board. When you click the plus icon, a menu will pop up and you'll want to select Board from the list of options presented. Once you do so, you're in the right place to see the different types of boards that Monday.com offers, which are main, private, and shareable boards. Let me explain these briefly. Main boards are accessible to everyone in your workspace, making them great for team projects and open communication. Private boards, on the other hand, are only visible to you and anyone else you specifically invite. These are perfect for personal projects or sensitive information. Lastly, shareable boards are meant for collaborating with people outside of your organization or workspace, ideal for clients or freelance contributors. Deciding which type suits your needs is the next step. Think about your requirements. Are you working on a project that requires privacy, or is it something you'd like to be open for your entire team? Once you've figured out the right fit for your project, you're ready to move forward. Go ahead and click on Create Board for the type that you've chosen. This will set you up with a new board that's perfectly suited for your specific needs. And there you have it. You're now ready to manage your projects efficiently with the most appropriate board type on Monday.com. Enjoy and happy organizing.